Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan a document on iPhone. So first thing is that you will just open the iPhone notes, and here you will see is the bottom option is the like scan or attach the document. So you will just tap on it, this attached logo, and here is the option scan documents. So I will be just tap on it simply, and I want to just scan it this one. So you will just hold it, so it will just scan it. So I will just tap on it simply. So here you will see, now what gonna do, you will be just adjusted from here, and you will just tap on it for the leveling up, and again I will just adjust it from my like thumbnail. So that's it. So I will just tap on it to done. So in this way you will just scan any document on iPhone by the paper, by the physical paper, or you will just open on your desktop the like these type of document. So in this way you will just have to scan a document on iPhone easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.